So here also Savi, who's in, you know, a form of Savitri, she is a normal housewife, लेकिन जब उसके अपनों पे बात आती है, so she will go all out. Shows कि एक housewife सिर्फ एक housewife नहीं होती. She is a symbol of strength, courage, and there's so much more inside her. Actually, when I was giving birth, when I was having my
Yeah.
baby, I was feeling like I'm gonna die. This is my time has come. My journey was to become Savi, to feel her pain, to feel what she's going through in life, and to live her life. And to actually think that I'm Savi. अभी भी question mark उठाया
Lot
जाता
of
है.
places,
If
right?
you are an ambitious woman, there's a lot of question mark, and there's, you know, lots of things attached to you that this might be there or this might be there. Hi guys, मैं हूँ दिव्या खोसला और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शुभजीत के YouTube चैनल पे, और मेरी पिक्चर सावी रिलीज हो रही है 31 मई को. तो जरूर जाके देखिए सिनेमा हॉल्स में कि कैसे ये नॉर्मल हाउसवाइफ सावी इंग्लैंड की सबसे बड़ी जेल ब्रेक करेगी.
किसी के साथ भी देखो, गर्लफ्रेंड, वाइफ, फैमिली, whoever, you just need to watch. That's the most important thing. Thank you. Right, when I talk about beauty, charm, grace, आई थिंक एलिगेंट, एलिगेंस, फिर मैं इतने सारे एडजेक्टिव्स ले सकता हूँ, बट उसका अगर एपिटोमी अगर मैं बोलूँ, उसका डिक्शनरी में नाम मैं चेंज कर दूंगा, बिकॉज आई कैन डेफिनेटली कीप इट एज दिव्या खोसला ओवर देयर. डू यू एग्री विद व्हाट आई सेड इन
Thank
टर्म्स ऑफ योर
you.
ब्यूटी एंड एवरीथिंग?
Oh my god.
She's just being, kind of modest and sweet that way. But we want to talk about the movie. Trailer jab se aaya, the response has been really, really killer. And when I talk about killer, there's a lot of thrill factor in the movie as well. But agar मैं पूछूं कि in real life, what does Divya Khosla do to enjoy that thrill and वो जो adventurous vibe होता है ना, to ensure कि बीच-बीच में काम के बीच में थोड़ा सा refreshment भी हो जाए? What is the most thrilling thing that you usually do in your life?
सावी की तरह जेल ब्रेक नहीं करती.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, but otherwise, thrill, I think go to a roller coaster park maybe.
Hmm.
Take those scary
हाँ.
rides.
But
Yeah.
but you never had those paranoid, कि वो होता है ना, बच्चे लोग में कभी कभी डर लगता है कि when you take those scary kind of rides. What
Mm.
is that one thing that you are afraid of in life, मतलब जिससे आपको genuinely डर लगता है and you will never ever do?
No, I'm not really scared. I'm a
Not scared
fearless
about running.
person. अगर राइड्स में ऑब्वियसली अगर बहुत ही उल्टा पुल्टा मैं
हाँ.
करती नहीं हूँ,
हाँ.
बट इट विल जस्ट
Yeah.
unnecessarily give my brain
Yeah.
a spin, but
Yeah.
otherwise I'm not scared.
हाँ, you want to basically, इनका जो है, she wants to basically give the audience and their mind a spin with the kind of thrill factors that she brings in the movies, but उनको खुद definitely nobody wants that spin. I want to know, ma'am, if I ask you कि सबसे ज़्यादा challenging part of getting into this character, because of course it's a very unusual housewife character. Usually we don't see this in, I believe, 9 out of 10 homes ऐसा नहीं देखने को होता, right? So I think the reference point है, reference point is either very less या फिर है ही नहीं. So how do you ensure that वो जो OG factor है in terms of getting the originality on screen, you get that right?
So basically, our film Savi is the story of Savitri.
Yeah.
सावित्री सत्यवान की कथा हमारी माइथोलॉजी में थी कि सावी सावित्री कैसे अपने पति को यमराज के मुंह से तक बाहर निकाल के लाती है. So here also Savi, who's in, you know, a form of Savitri, she is a normal housewife, लेकिन जब उसके अपनों पे बात आती है, so she will go all out. And I think every housewife today, like, she is not just a housewife. This is also what the film shows कि एक housewife सिर्फ एक housewife नहीं होती. She is a symbol of strength, courage, and there's so much more inside her. And I think every housewife who's looking after her home, who's taking care of her husband, nurturing the kids, even a working woman who's taking care of her work as well as the home, I think is very strong in terms कि जब उसके अपनों पे बात आएगी, then she will become that देवी शक्ति, and वो रूप धारण करेगी और वो फाइट करेगी अपने कॉज के लिए. So I think इतना मुश्किल नहीं था, because
Yeah.
all I do to go into any character is to become that character. That is the most important thing. जब तक मैं वो character बनती नहीं हूँ, तब तक मुझे थोड़ी nervousness रहती है. Once I become that character, which I make sure I do before going on the set, then I'm fully confident. So yeah, my journey was to become Savi, to feel her pain, to feel what she's going through in life, and to live her life, and to actually think that I'm savvy. Yeah.
You know, you put it up very wonderfully कि you know, the point is कि when women actually जब उनके family पे अपनों पे आता है, they actually become devi, right?
Hmm.
In real life as well, you're also constantly fighting different battles at the same time. You're a renowned producer, you're into acting as well, you're doing multiple things at the same time, you're managing home as well at the same time. So all these things deserve a lot of appreciation. But पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था, women शायद जितना appreciation उनको they deserve उतना शायद नहीं मिलता था. Have you seen that change around the time when you started to yourself get into that space? Have you seen the appreciation game towards women improve and increase a lot more in the last few years?
Yes, yes, that's happened. Pehle, I think women were very just inside their homes, and now women can have ambitions. So
Yeah.
that's a very big thing, you know, to be ambitious, to go out into the world. Even after being married, you can still have ambitions. Pehle, after marriage, ambitions were
सोचना
totally
ही already was
सोचना
a
ही
very
पाप
huge
था
thing.
कि मतलब अभी भी क्वेश्चन मार्क उठाया
Lot
जाता
of
है.
places,
If
right?
you are an ambitious woman, there's a lot of question mark, and there's you know lots of things attached to you that this might be there or this might be there. So अभी भी ऐसा नहीं है कि an ambitious woman is highly, you know, you have to go through a lot, but
It's a drill, but it's a
it's a drill,
process.
it's a process. Yeah.
You know, I think very well put up, and I really want to know ki we're talking about Devi Shakti and all, and I think these are all, you know, sources of courage and strength. Women on a regular basis, they do a lot of things which involve strength, right? If I
Yeah.
ask you the most fearless thing that you have ever done in life, which you're genuinely very proud of, and you feel ki that source of courage, if you kind of utilize in today's time as well, of course you're doing great things, but you can do a lot of greater things as well in future. क्या होगा वो चीज?
So in my career, you're talking.
Career, personal life, professional life मिला के. I'm sure you must have done a lot of things like that.
Most fearless thing. I think the most difficult thing that a woman does is to give birth, because she's
Very well, eh?
getting another life into the world, and that's a big responsibility during the process and even after that, to nurture a whole, you know, a whole child, and to till the child grows up, and even the whole process of that thing of having the child baby in the womb and giving birth. Actually, when I was giving birth, when I was having
Yeah.
a baby, I was feeling like I'm gonna die. This is my time has come, you know, during that time, because you're not given a medication and you go off to sleep. You are fully
Right.
awake and conscious, so it's very difficult. Yeah, and hats off to all the women,
All the
everyone
women who
who
do
do
it.
that. Yeah.
Second last question would be key. It's a continuation of that. Usually, when you give birth to a baby, you get that, you know, your emotional quotient improves and enhances a lot more, right? In terms of your emotional core values, do you think they have changed a lot more after motherhood?
Yeah, a lot changed inside me. A lot. I think it's a lot becomes different. जैसा पहले सब कुछ change हो जाता है, you know. Even basic things change, not just emotions. Pehle I used to love sweets. Now I don't eat sweets at all. I used to hate the cold. Now I love cold.
Yeah.
So I think your body goes through a change, your hormones go through a change, your emotions go through a change. You grow up, there's a lot that's changed. And
Wonderful.
all is for the better.
All is for the better. Most
Better,
importantly,
yes.
last question, ma'am, would be ki over the years we have seen you in so many different avatars. I think I can't remember that music video naam with Salman sir long back.
Yeah,
I think
honey,
you
honey.
became Honey Honey. Yeah? You became
Ji.
the crush of so many people instantly overnight. Tab se leke it's been a humongous journey and a great one which has only scaled up and up, right? Please let us know ki what would be that shock value in Savi जिसके वजह से people will be taken aback by surprise in a good way कि यार we always knew she's a great performing artist but उसने ये भी कर दिया. What would be that
I
shock
don't
value
want to
especially?
give that out. I want people to say that.
Yeah.
I don't want to say that I want them, but I want them to realize it. You know, so see, as an actor, I have given it my all, which I don't just have given in Savi, but I given all my
Everything
films,
that you do, of
everything
course.
that I do in all my films. But I think.
Let's keep it a secret.
Yeah.
Ma'am's DMs are open. You can always DM her कि मेरा ये feedback था, ये feedback था. She
हाँ.
might come up with interesting answers if we do a kind of like a success interview later once the thing comes out. But then, guys, 31st May, I believe, is the day. 31st May
Yes.
it is, and Savi is the movie. You just need to go out there and watch it and show all the love and support to her that she deserves. And talking about love and support, I think we also want to do it in a little special way. So I've got a gift for you,
Oh
ma'am.
wow!
So
My
I
first
hope you.
gift of the day.
I am very happy that this is from my end, and
Oh,
this is
thank
something
you.
I hopefully you will like because
Oh,
this is
how
exclusive.
cute this is! Wow.
Yeah, so I hope you
This is
genuinely
a
like.
shirt?
No, it's a kurti. So ethnic
Wow.
kurti and
So beautiful.
thank
See,
you so much.
so
And we are very happy that you
beautiful.
loved it. And
Thank
this
you
is a very
so
powerful and
much.
impactful movie for you. So this is just a token of love from our end as a sort of good luck
Thank
gesture.
you. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I'll
Thank you.
wear it
Please,
soon.
please, we'll be very happy to
Yes,
see you wearing
I'll
that.
wear
Huh?
it soon. Yes.
Guys, so सब कुछ बता दिया सावी के बारे में. The movie is all set to be coming out. Know what you need to do once the movie comes out. DMs are open. You can send all the good love. Hatred मत भेजना because we definitely do not tolerate that. Thank you so much, guys. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show by Rohit Consulting. This is your host Shubhajit. I'll see you all with another interesting episode very soon. Till then, God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.